Hey guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to Five Nights with Mac tonight too. Let's carry on with night 3 then. Thank you for the support. Like, we have 600 views, which is insane.
Hey man, listen closely. This is getting strange. The animatronics are suddenly moving, and seeing how you're the only one in the warehouse, you're not doing anything to them, are you?
No.
I hope not. Remember, these things are expensive. Not only have Mac and the Hamburger been seen on the move, our other animatronic, Bernie the Bird, has been seen out of her box in one of the corner rooms. Keep an eye on her if she's moving as well, as she was once found in your office. Also, what's weird is that ever since we found her moving, the generator's charge has been plummeting faster. So, just keep an eye out for that issue, and remember to use the alarm if necessary. I hope this info helped. See you later. Good night.
Alright, now we have Bernie the Bird.
What have you done to us? You won't survive tonight.
Oh, it's Grimace.
Y'all experience how we feel.
Oh. That was close. I almost died. It's already back again, like. Must be right outside my office.
You stole something from us.
Every time for death. What have you done to us? You won't survive tonight. What have you done to us?
Doo-doo.
Y'all experience how
He's about to go to the vents. how well I do with the vents. It's been a while since I played this game. Obviously. Oh. Did you see Bernie the bird? It was on my right. Focused.
What have you done to us?
Oh god.
You won't survive tonight.
You stole something from us.
I can't remember if
It's a great time.
what's his name? Hamburglar makes a sound when he gets to the vents. I can't remember. Okay, he does. Eh.
You won't survive tonight.
What was that sound?
You'll experience how we feel.
I had double upload, guys. So be ready for that.
What have you done to us?
Double upload might be Five Nights with Mac tonight too again.
You won't survive tonight.
Right, hamburgers in the vent shaft. Let's go. 6 AM. Is there a cutscene or anything? All cutscene. It looks like we're in the old location. And we're inside the Mac kid.
Well, there it is.
Oh,
The Mac animatronic. God, I saw what he did to this thing. Can't let him get away with it. I need to put things how it should be. This means I need to rewire Mac. If he gets away with this, then this thing will be a threat to people.
well, that guy was correct. Stay happy. spread positivity, and I believe in you. You can do anything with enough